Let's create a social media ad. I'll change my background color to black, bring in a square shape from elements, bring it down a little bit, move it down, change the color to yellow, make it a gradient color. I'll copy this color, I'll paste it here, I'll duplicate again, I'll paste, I'll come to the second color and touch it a little bit. This is fine. I'll go back to the same elements, I'll pick triangle down, change the color to black, move it down here, expand it a little bit, go to position, align it to the center, draw it down a little bit, align to the center. I'll go to my upload, so I need to raise this up a little bit, fine, come up a little bit too. I'll go to my upload, I'll import my earbud, just expand it and crop it a little bit, bring it up a little, go back to elements, type shadow, click on graphics, let me look for a perfect shadow that will be effective. I'll pick this one, expand it a little bit, I'll bring it here. First, let me send it backward. Now backward, I'll bring it down here a little bit. Already aligned to the center. I'll go back to element, I'll type wave. I'll go to graphics. I'll scroll down. Let's see what this graphics can do. This wave can do for us. We change the color to white. This is the white. Rotate it a little bit. Expand it a little. Send it back to the back. We'll go to transparency and reduce the transparency a little bit. I'll click T for text. I'll type the name of my brand product to sound push. I'll change the color to white. Change the font to 48. Go to fonts. Go to buttons. Make it black. I'll bring it here. I'll bring it here. I'll click the slice button. I'll search for this magic right here. Give me a tagline. Give me one tagline. Give me one promotional. Okay, we have unleash the sound. Elevate your experience with AirPods. So I'll copy this. So I don't want to copy that, just click on the set. Okay, so this is what we'll have. I will change the alignment to this. I'll bring it down here. Go to element, bring it to center. I'll leave it here. Sorry, this is push. This should be P. Fine. Then I'll press T and type Earbuds. Earbuds T100. I'll bring it here. Go to position, sorry, on the center. I'll come here, make it 28. Okay, this is fine. Go to font, choose monster art, make it bold. Fine, that's what we want. I will need to send this to up a little bit. Good. Go back to elements, go to square, resize it a little bit, bring it here, resize it again, take it up a little bit. Use a font gradient color on it. I'll go to text, I'll type BDT 1500. Change the color to black. Change the font to Poppins. Make it black. Expand the font to 29. Okay, it's good. I'll click here and go to position. Make it to be on the center. I'll go back to element to go to shapes again. I'll do this. Go to corner it a little bit. I'll bring it here. I'll do it a little bit. Move it down a little bit. Change the color to black. Push it in a little. I'll press T for text. I'll type buy now. Change the color to yellow, bring it up here, go to font, make it poppins, make it black, then change the font size to 31, click on the shape, click on this, align to the middle. Now I need a text around here, but to save our time, I'll just go to apps. I go to Lorin Fiction as opened. In term was system font generate. Click on generate. Okay, this it here. I change the font color to white so we can see it. I just use this to generate text instead of going around typing figures. I think it here. Change the font to once that, make it medium. It's fine. Push it in a little bit, and that's our final design.